Louis, you've done some cooking recently, haven't you? What was your cooking that you did recently?
I cooked the sickest meal. Bearing in mind, this was like one of the first meals I've ever cooked. I cooked chicken breast, stuffed with mozzarella,
Whoa.
wrapped in Parma ham,
Yum.
bang it in the oven,
Oh.
some homemade mash,
Homemade.
and a bit of gravy.
Gravy.
What more can you want?
Big cheer for Lou for making a good dish!
Bearing in mind, this was like one of the first meals I've ever cooked.
The most romantic thing you have ever done for a girl, or what girl has ever done for you? I'm gonna throw this one out to Louis.
The most romantic thing I've probably ever done was, I'm not a good cook, I've never cooked before, but I once made this one meal. I'll explain it to you.
I know what it is.
Chicken, stuffed with mozzarella cheese, wrapped in Parma ham, with some mashed potato. Now, it's not mashed potato out of the box, it's some homemade mash and gravy.
Wrap it up.
I can't cook, and I once cooked a meal. The first meal I ever cooked, I cooked chicken, stuffed with mozzarella cheese, wrapped in Parma ham, with some homemade mashed potatoes. And it was alright actually, it tasted pretty good for my first meal. And it was alright actually, it tasted pretty good for my first meal.
I ever cooked one meal. That was pretty nice. Chicken wrapped in Parma ham, stuffed with mozzarella.
Stuffed? Wow.
Yeah, stuffed, Liam. That's what Jamie Oliver said.
Stuffed?
With a big scoop of homemade mash. Winner.
That was quite an aggressive stuffing you were giving that.
This guy just got angry. I don't.
Yeah, okay.
Oh no, I take a good chef, because I'm rubbish at cooking. So see that.
Remember the time you made the chicken stuffed with the parmesan chicken wrapped in the parmesan?
Well, I mean, I've done it once or twice now. I'm just being honest, I'm a great chef. I'm a very, very good chef.
Simon, you took one meal before that you were quite impressed with yourself, actually.
Yeah, but I don't really normally cook. I mean, the regular is a bowl of cereal. You don't cook that, but that's all.
You can do, that would just be strange.
Well, yeah, you could. That would be weird, but no.
Organiser.
Yeah.
I think.
Je pense que j'ai cuisiné une fois pour ma copine et j'aimerais m'en souvenir toute ma vie et me dire que j'étais un héros. Mais en réalité, je ne suis pas très bon en cuisine.
And finally, Mita says, what's the most romantic thing you've ever done for someone?
I'm actually quite romantic, you know.
Are you?
I am. Let me have a think now. Well, when I first met my girlfriend, I am a horrific cook, a very, very bad cook. I give it a go, you know what I mean? I'll try. So I said to her, I'll make you a nice meal. I made her a meal, and honestly, she you know what I mean? She did all the polite things and said it was lovely. I obviously tasted it too. It was awful. It was awful. Really
What was
poor.
it? What was the attempt?
It was like some chicken wrapped in like some Parma ham, stuffed with a bit of mozzarella. Very ambitious
That's
for
very
the level
ambitious.
of cook I am. Well, when I first met my girlfriend, I am a horrific cook.
Mais en réalité, je ne suis pas très bon en cuisine.
When I first met my girlfriend, I am a horrific cook.
Terrible. Can't cook anything. Horrible. And I mean, no, I can't cook anything. I mean, I've made like maybe one dish in my life, but yeah, I'm rubbish cook, rubbish.
Wait, what was the dish?
And I eat loads of junk food.
What was the dish?
I made. To be fair, it was over ambitious, right?
Okay.
It was chicken stuffed with mozzarella with I love it. I'll cook you one day.
Oh, okay.
With Parma ham wrapped outside. Do you know what I mean? It was like restaurant worthy.
Sounds
The
delicious.
execution was horrible.
Really?
Horrible, yeah.